I think the DuPage Real Producer events are class act. They hold them in fun places. It's a great opportunity to, network and interact with other agents. I think it's a great experience.
I really enjoy the Real Producers events because I get to meet new vendors that I can recommend to clients and just help get ahead of the curve to help our clients when they're buying, selling, and renting.
The benefits of being a preferred partner with Real Producers is I get to support all my clients and have an opportunity to educate and get in front of new agents that are trying to grow their business.
Real Producer events are amazing. It's a chance for me to connect with high-producing professionals in our network and really establish some solid relationships that help me become a better professional too.
Being featured in the magazine has been fantastic. So I actually have listing appointments that I take the article on and leave behind. It proves that you're a producing agent and it gives credibility. And when I posted this, it just went crazy and I've gotten some really good feedback from it. So it's been very positive.
We're wrapping up our DuPage Real Producers spring event. So grateful to have Rolling Suds Power Washing as one of our marquee sponsors.
And thanks Andy and the Real Producers organization for letting Rolling Suds be a participant. We do residential, commercial, power washing and soft washing services in DuPage County.
Watch out for our next event.